is a wonderfully beautiful question to me because if you're asking it, you are either thinking about somebody that you're already in love with and want to be married to them, or you're thinking about that moment when it comes in your life. Preparing for marriage is really about learning how to become better communicators, learning how to become better translators. My best piece of advice is pick up books from Dr. John and Julie Gottman, Dr. Harville Hendricks, and Dr. Marshall Rosenberg. Learn about the research and data about what creates a long, healthy relationship, and learn the communication tactics and skills that are evidence-based and backed by research that show will help you become better at sharing your pains, listening to your partner's hurts, and creating what we call attunement, which is that sense of connection and feeling known. Most people's fights are boiled down to, I don't feel heard. They don't boil down to, you don't agree with me. It's that I don't feel heard. So if you want to prepare for marriage, learn how to become a better listener and a better sharer. If you can do that, I trust that you will have a great marriage.